Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good time. I'm Saket, an undergraduate pursuing computer science at IIT Guwahati. Under Engagement and Mentorship Program of Microsoft Engage 2021, I took up the challenge to build a Microsoft Teams clone web app. With the guidance of Microsoft India UR team and Ace Hacker, I completed the challenge in about 1 month time. I'm delighted to present the same before you. I used Agile Scrum methodology to develop this product, and I will brief about this in a couple of moments. Let me first begin with a demo of the product. This is the home page. At the top right is the login button. Clicking on it takes us to the authentication page. Here is an option to log in with Google, GitHub, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. Let us log in with my ID. The user is greeted with a customized message on the top right. Now I will create a new meeting by clicking this button. My video can be seen at the bottom right corner. In the top left corner, there is a button to copy the meeting link. On clicking it, the meeting link gets copied to the clipboard. I'll now send the meeting link to my father on WhatsApp so that he can join the meeting. Over to my dad.
Hello everyone. I am already logged into the application. Now I enter the meeting link here and click join meeting.
When somebody tries to join the meeting organizer gets the option to admit or deny his entry. Let me admit my father. Okay, so he has joined. Hi dad, how are you doing?
I am fine beta. How about you?
I'm doing well. I want to load my agile presentation. Can you please do?
Sure.
The chat box appears on the left, which shows the messages with custom initials for the profile pic and also the time. Let me thank my dad. As you can see the message. Yes, the slide is visible. Let me explain the Agile Scrum. It is a development methodology that centers around the idea of iterative development. This is achieved by developing the product in sprints. Each sprint begins with a user story, which is a feedback from the user. Next, the definition of done is precisely set. Stand-ups and review meetings are held during the development to check the progress. In my product, Sprint 1 focused on making the feature for two users to connect using WebRTC and socket connections. Feature to mute bar unmute the mic and switch on off the video were also built. Sprint 2 focused on authentication using Microsoft, GitHub, Google, and LinkedIn, and also focused on building the user interface of the application. Lastly, the focus of Sprint 3 was on making the surprise chat feature announced by Ace Hacker, adding micro interactions and building the feature to allow bar deny the entry of the user into the meeting. Thank you very much, Dad, for joining us. Let's end the meeting now. Bye bye. Clicking on the chat button takes us to the chat window. As we can see, the messages posted at the time of the meeting are logged in here too. Apart from that, we can type in more messages here too, using bold italics and etc. features. We can see read receipts and the online status too. Finally, upon clicking the logout button, we would see a custom goodbye message making a fully enriching user experience. At the end, I would like to wholeheartedly thank Ace Hacker and Microsoft for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to learn and my mentors, family members, and coding buddies for helping me throughout this project.